about how can you fix this problem on your Pulch app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down. So then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Pulch app, or just click on search. Then add here Pulch app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down here, click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. Click here on Play Store. Then you search for Bolt app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.